In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Dropbox folder. This process is straightforward and essential for collaborating with others. By following these steps, you will gain access to shared files, making teamwork more efficient. Let's get started. First, open your email inbox and look for a message that includes the Dropbox link. This email is usually sent by the person who shared the folder with you. It may have a subject line indicating that you've been invited to join a folder. Once you find this message, it's important to ensure you have access to the right email account. This step is crucial because it ensures you don't miss out on important shared content. Take a moment to scan through your inbox, and remember, the link you are looking for is specifically tied to the folder you want to join. Next, open the email and click the blue Go to Folder or Join Folder button. This action will take you directly to the Dropbox website. When you click this button, you might see a brief loading screen as the page loads. It's important to click the correct button because that's your gateway to accessing the shared folder. Once you click it, you'll notice the page transition to Dropbox where you can begin the joining process. This step is straightforward and sets the stage for the next actions. If you aren't logged in, the website will prompt you to sign into your Dropbox account. You may see fields for your email and password or options to sign in using Google or Apple accounts. This step matters because it ensures that your access is secure and that only authorized users can view the folder's contents. If you have forgotten your password, there will be a link to reset it. Completing this step will authenticate your identity and allow you to proceed to the folder joining process. Once signed in, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click Join Folder to add it permanently to your account view. This prompt is confirmation that you are about to join the shared folder successfully. This step is crucial because it finalizes your access and integrates the folder into your Dropbox interface. After clicking this button, you should see a notification confirming that you have joined the folder. This will give you peace of mind, knowing that you now have access to the shared content. Now that you have joined the folder, take a moment to explore its contents. You will see all the files and documents that have been shared with you. This exploration is essential because it helps you understand what resources are available for your use. Familiarizing yourself with the folder layout can save you time in the long run. You can also check for any important files you may need to collaborate on. With that ready, remember that joining a Dropbox folder allows for seamless collaboration. You can easily share files with others, making teamwork more efficient. This feature is particularly useful for projects that require input from multiple people. By following these steps, you have now set up a collaborative environment that can enhance productivity and communication. In conclusion, you have successfully learned how to join a Dropbox folder. Each step was designed to ensure that you can access shared content securely and efficiently. This process is vital for staying organized and connected with your team. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your Dropbox experience.